Good morning, YouTube. I'm just showing you some beautiful updates of my flowers. I'm mainly growing sunflowers. Yeah. If you watch my previous videos, you may know how I started out with. I'm just gonna grow four flowers. Just to have something to look at as I'm going on to do this medical journey. And I love to garden anyways. I said I was going to start with just 4 pots. And yeah, here we go again. So let's just go around and look at a few. I think some are about to open. We're finally having more sunnier days in California. Can you believe that? It's May. We call it May Gray. But yes, so let's look into that. This is going to be the pink rose sunflower. Another pink rose sunflower. They are multi-heads. And here is some mint. There were 3 growing here, and I took one and I put it in this pot right here. And I know they grow wild, so once this leaves, I'll just move them around or plant another sunflower because I have a lot of sunflower seeds. And here's another one here. I was just having a hard time because I think they're connected. I was trying to move it, but I think the roots are connected. Here is like the easiest. Look at this green onion. This is like the easiest, best thing I've ever did. I just took a store-bought green onion. I took some, separated them. I put them in a bottle of water and watched the roots grow. Not a jar of water. And then I separated them. I threw some away, but every time I pick, another one grows. And I'm going to be putting these green onions in my meal tonight. I'm going to be making some bell pepper soy chorizo tonight. Here's another sunflower. This is another multi-head pink rose. This is another sunflower. It's either a dwarf or can't remember the name of it, but is it budding or not opening? And here's some more green onions. I just cut the top because it was yellow. Any more growing? Another sunflower. This is a pink rose too, but I don't see any more. But I do see a lot of leaves and stuff. Oh, look at that. So those could probably be turning into flowers too. I'm not an expert, but and here's another multi-head sunflower. I see some are trying to bloom open. They're probably waiting for more sun. But yeah, let's see if we see any petals out there. Another sunflower. Some more mint. Waiting for the airplane to pass. Woo. But here is, I promise you, I did not put another seed. I transferred, I think it was on these pots over here. My voice. Yes, that pot right there. I transferred those flowers, just those two, and I kid you not, I saw this sprouting up, so. And I took it all out. It has like 2 big yellow leaves in there. And here, what is this, a root? Looks like something from Stranger Things. Is that a root again? Cover that up. I tell myself, ooh, I just love to garden. And then I see a spider and I'm screaming like crazy. You can still see water that I put in there yesterday at the top. Oh, I can't wait till these bloom. It's gonna be beautiful. You hear the birds. Got this big tree where the hummingbirds come visit. Yeah. I don't know. Like I said in a video from the past, I said, oh God, I wish I lived in the country. I want a big garden. And God was like, you have a patio. Do something to it. And, you know, as I, just go through my battles, God is like, I've given you some nature. Look around you. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful. I can't wait for my mint leaves so I can make some tea or smell them. I just love looking at the baby leaves growing. So pretty. So if you have a balcony, if you're blessed to have a balcony or even a pot, I suggest, grow something that calms us down. And well, it's calming me down. And just look at all this greenery. Just to take a breath. Next season, thanks be to God, I will grow more flowers. Because I want to grow some zanies. I think that's what they're called. I'm trying to grow stuff that I know that are not toxic to cats. Even though I trust my cupcake won't eat these. Well, she's been eating my sunflower leaves. And they're not toxic, but because I really love lavender, but I turned my back once and I could just see her just eating. But I trust her. I don't think she will. She don't even take her medicine. She knows what toxic is. That so beautiful. Look at this one. Beautiful. Yeah. So grow you some flowers. Grow you a plant. Grow you some chives, some potatoes. Grow. It really is peaceful. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. This is my balcony garden video. It's an adventure. And yeah, these are for the Dollar Tree store. I love these. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Bye.